my love, welcome back to my channel. It's Lalafi's corner, and today we are going to be making one corner hairstyle for my clients. So we're going to be using 2 pack of expression extension for this particular hairstyle, and the inspiration of this hairstyle is for the whole of the extension to fall one side, cover our one part of our ear. That's the inspiration of this hairstyle. So we went ahead by prepping our attachments, and I'm going to be making some 2 cornrows at the back, and then go ahead to make the one because there's one at the side of the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and make that one, then complete the hair fully. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, you are very much welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are very much welcome. I have not officially said happy new year to you guys, so I'm going to be saying happy new year to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for being part of my 2025, and then thank you for also being part of my 2026. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the So guys, we are already at the end of this video. So if you are still watching up until now, thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. If you like this video, please help me just like it. If you have any video requests you want me to do for you, please put it in the comment section. I'll be so honored to do it for you. So guys, and please share this video to family and friends. Share it so that it can reach a larger audience. You can see how the hair already turned out. It's already looking beautiful. At this point, I'm already loving this work. This is the hair that I've done, and I said, oh wow, this hair is very fine. I know every other hair used to be fine though, but this particular one, I fell in love with it, despite the fact that our hair is natural hair and it came out so beautiful. Can you see the back? See the back of the hair is already looking so beautiful. I really loved it. I wish I will see somebody that will make this kind of hair for me, because I cannot make it on my own hair by myself. So guys, thank you for watching again, and I will see you on my next video. See how the hair is already fine. So once I'm done, I'm going to leave it for my girls to complete the complete the hair. And here we already completed the whole extension, like braided to the end, to the tip of the extension. So yeah, I am trimming and make sure that I trim thoroughly, because hair is natural hair. I don't want any hair coming out of the extension. So I'm going to go back and start trimming them one after the other, because my girls might not really do it the way I want. And yeah, I'm just spraying butterfly spray to keep those flyaway hair in place, and then I'm spraying oil sheen to make sure that the hair is shining so well. Guys, rate this hair from 1 to 10. Tell me what you feel in the comment section, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. See now, see hair now. See hair. Check this out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.